This is the 2019 AMC 10B number 7. Each piece of candy in a store costs a whole number of cents. Casper has exactly enough money to buy either 12 pieces of red candy, 14 pieces of green candy, or 15 pieces of blue candy, or N pieces of purple candy. A piece of purple candy costs 20 cents. What is the smallest possible value of N? So after you read this question a few times, realize that you're going to start this problem by using 12 pieces of red candy, 14 pieces of green candy, and 15 pieces of blue candy. Because all of those, 14, 15, and 12, have to be, when divided by the amount of candy they're getting, have to be a whole number. So I know that the minimum amount of money that Casper brought in has to be divided by 12, 14, and 15. So in order to find the minimum possible value for N, I'm going to have to find the lowest common multiple. What I'm looking for is the lowest common multiple of 12, 14, and 15. Once I find that, I'm going to divide it by the amount of cents each purple candy costs, and that will be the number of purple candies that Casper can afford. So the lowest common multiple of 12, 14, and 15, I'm going to use prime factorization first. So 12 can be prime factorized into 2 times 2 times 3. 14 can be factorized into 2 times 7. And 15 can be factorized into 3 times 5. So now to find the lowest common multiple, I'm going to multiply all these numbers together, making sure that I don't have to use any extra numbers that I already used in that same equation. So I'm going to start with 12. It's going to be 2 times 3 times, well, in this 14 I have a 2, but I already put 1 2 in, so I don't need that anymore. So it's going to be times 7, and then for the 15 I have a 3, but I already used that 3, so I don't need to put that in. So it's just going to be times 5. So this right here, this is going to be the minimum amount of cents that Casper brought into the store. Okay, that is 4. Multiplying all these numbers together, and this is 35. So what I'm looking for is 12 times 35. Okay. Right over here, I'm going to carry out the 1. This is 70 plus 350. I'm going to get 420. So the minimum number of cents that Casper brought is 420. Now all I have to do is find out how many things she bought. So it's going to be 420, the total amount that she brought, divided by its cost, which is 20. The answer is going to be 21. So the minimum possible value for N is 21. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.